Okay, here we go. So Stihl BR420 backpack blower. It's quite an old one, and we've snapped the pull start on it. This is the broken bit here, so we'll just quickly replace it. Okay, we've got Pinrose pliers. We've got the T27 torque drive on this combi spanner. We've got the snapped part here, which is a handle, small screwdriver just to help poke bits through the string. The starter cord. So what we'll do, we'll start off, we'll free up the handle here, which can be quite difficult sometimes, but we've already loosened it out just for a bit of ease, and it should just pull out easy enough. Get the pliers onto it, stick them in, give them a pull out. Okay, that's the old bit away. And there's obviously an old bit in here, so we've obviously loosened these off as well just to make it a bit quicker for the video. So 3 torque bolts here, again T27 is for these, which is the Stihl spanner. I can practically take the whole machine apart with this, so okay, we'll just keep that. These out. 3 bolts, keep them separate, keep them safe. There we go. And then this is the old starter cord here. Just undo it, and then we'll try and get this bit out here, which can be a wee bit fiddly sometimes. There you go. Just take the old bit out. That's the 2 old bits here. And then obviously your new cord, you'll need to feed it through where the pull handle seats, and then feed it in through the hole, and it will just poke through. So what we do when we get our starter cord is we just burn the ends a wee bit, and that just makes them a wee bit pointier, stops them fraying, and makes it easier to poke through these holes. And just give it a wee tie at the end here. That should stop it going back through. Okay, and we'll just poke that in there, out the way. Screwdriver, push that in and out the way. Get that one in and out the way as well. That's it. Give it a nice pull. That's it. Okay, nice and tight. And then that's your cord. What we'll do, we'll put the handle on it just now, all being well. Poke up through. I usually do a bigger knot on these just to try and, so it doesn't come right through. Same size, hold on. Slightly bigger just to make it bulkier so it doesn't pull through the handle. Put that in through. That's it, nice and tight, and that's you got your pull cord. Just check it for length, so when you're starting it, if you're starting it, that should be big enough. Okay, take it back round. What we're going to do, so as we pull it, it's going to uncoil this way. So we want to coil it up in that direction. So that direction there. So we want to go this way with it. Sorry, it goes the other way. I'll just get a bit of tension on the spring. Okay, do it one more. Another couple of turns will do it. And that's it, seated in. Then also doing, bolting it back on. 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, get it till it nips up first. Just get it seated and then we'll just properly nip it up once all three are in. It just distributes the pressure a wee bit more evenly. And that's all three of them down, so just give it a wee nip. And then a wee nip with this one, and that should be it. Shouldn't move after that. And then that's you. You've got the pull start fixed. Done.